Hey dude, hey dude. Hey dude, hey dude.
How was your game run?
Well, good. It's called Dude's Battlegrounds.
How many times you won the game?
Well, I think I have 100 kills in that game.
100?
I have
That's
I literally have 100 kills.
100 kills? Oh my god, you're a pro. You're not noob, you're pro already.
And I also got a 5 kill streak that gives me a crown.
Every time you kill your enemy in that game, you get a reward, a crown, or what else? What any reward you can get?
Every time you get a 5 kill streak, you get a crown every time.
Oh, so you are a pro already because it's hard to get five strict kills in a game.
It's hard to get 5 times kill streak.
Yeah, it's really hard.
But
It's a lot of practice
but
because you always play every day.
But I already practiced
You're good already.
and I stand every single player and then kill them.
What did you use to stand them?
Well,
Are you using weapons or just punch them?
just punch them and use skills, dude.
Okay. You punch it in what part of their body?
Well,
Any part? In
Any
their
part.
face, in their body,
Any part.
Any part. What's the name of your enemy there? What are the names of the players in that game?
They have, but there is a lot of actives on that game. Dude's Battlegrounds.
Are they in the same age with you?
I don't know.
You ask them because it's not good to play with the older ones. They might scare you and they make fun of you. They will chat bad things with you, and it's not good to play older players. You have to play
If someone is older
the same
than me, I will
age.
throw coordinates on my cell phone.
You ask them, how old are you? If they will answer,
If they are older than me, I will blow my phone and throw
throw
it
your phone.
and throw
Oh my
it
God.
out of my
You're
window.
kidding. You must be kidding.